we are walking on Kuhio Avenue. It is 2nd Avenue from Kalakaua Avenue. Kalakaua Avenue is the main strip, and it is Kuhio Avenue is just 2 blocks away from the beach. It's just in this area. It is separated by Park Fort de Rossi, and it makes it just a little bit further from the beach. But as we walk further in, it's going to be a little bit closer to the beach. And we have done a complete walk through Kalakaua Avenue as well, from one end to the next in real time, so you can see how far everything is. We have also done a complete walk through Waikiki Beach from one end, starting from the Hilton Hawaiian Lagoon and all the way to Kaimana Beach. So you can also see in real time where things are in relations to each other. So this next place we're going to is one of our favorite places when we have a sweet tooth. It's called Dean and DeLuca. If you have watched our tour for Royal Hawaiian Center, they have another part of Dean and DeLuca coffee shop, but in that one they do not have as many sliced cakes. Here it's a little bit more options for food and cake. So let's just quickly go inside to take a look. So right now they do have some merchandise options, and right now they don't have too many cake options, but if you come earlier during the day, they have more cake. How you doing? Good, thank you. The staff is really friendly here. They have very interesting sandwich options, and they will heat it up for you. And they have an outdoor seating as well, a drinks variety, and a lot of different gourmet options here as well. And Dean and DeLuca is located in Ritz Carlton residencies. So if we go here, this is the Valet Area for the Ritz Carlton. So let's see if we can walk around and show you a little bit. There is a Valet Area. It's a very open and spacious feel, but it's also there's a lot of plants on the outside, so it separates a little bit from the main street, and the elevators going up to the room. That's the concierge. Okay. So we were on just the ground floor and the Valet Area. We are heading to the lobby area where the registration is. The way this hotel operates, because it's residencies, so a lot of units are owned by individuals, and some units are managed by Ritz Carlton Hotel. So you can book it as a regular hotel stay or through Expedia or just directly through Ritz Carlton. Some units have a studio with small kitchenettes and mini fridge, and some units, like 1-bedrooms, have full kitchen. So let's go check it out. Check out the lobby area.
Thank you so much. Please enjoy staying.
This is cafe area. I'm assuming that's where they do breakfast, and the view is pretty nice. The view is you can see Park Fort de Rossi there. You can see the Trump International Waikiki Hotel, which we have done a complete walkthrough as well. And let's go around to other side. Love hotels that have a lot of real plants all around. And this is the pool area. They have private cabanas where you can rent for privacy and shade, loungers, and this is an infinity pool. It's very quiet here, peaceful and relaxing.
Hello.
Aloha. The rooms here start from $550 depending on the room. If you want a studio or one bedroom suite with full kitchen, valet parking is $40 per day, and they do allow pets up to 25 pounds, but you have to pay a pet fee, $250 per pet per stay. Wi-Fi is available complimentary in public areas and in your rooms as well. They do have ATM here and the spa. And this is another pool area. Ritz Carlton have 2 towers. And this is this pool area has a little cakey slide as well. This is another infinity pool option. And from here you can see even Royal Hawaiian Center, Royal Hawaiian Hotel. You see the pink tower in the distance, and it is about 5-minute walk to Royal Hawaiian Center. From this view, you can also see Hard Rock Cafe and Tommy Bahamas. So let's complete the walk and check out the bar. The first pool area was adults only, and this pool allows kids.
Hold.
If you have some of the higher floor rooms, you can see sunset here. It's really beautiful. And this is bar and another restaurant area. We are back to the ground floor and walking out to Kuhio Avenue. From here, you can also see the second tower of Ritz Carlton Residences. And in that tower on the ground floor from the street level, you can find another market. It's called Island Country Market, but it is owned by ABC. So let's just quickly go inside and see what this market has to offer. Right at the front, they advertise that they do have lunch plates. Here you can find souvenirs, chocolates, ice cream. Here you can get some coffee and pastries and gelato as well. Aloha. Clothing, Hawaiian style clothing, souvenirs, t-shirts, towels, snorkeling gear, floaties, anything you can possibly need, even water shoes. Sandals and food options, some drinks, a variety of cheeses, eggs. So if you're staying at the Ritz Carlton and you have kitchen, you can pretty much stock up your fridge right here. There are some fruits and vegetables options here, more vegetables over here. Of course, it is a little bit more expensive than regular supermarket. Chilled alcohol. There is also ready to take with you fruits, chopped fruits, sandwiches, wraps, cold water, and more food options that they can warm up for you, and you can eat ready plates, lunch plates. Lots of alcohol options, beer, wine, and even hard liquor. Aloha.